Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Today I want to talk to you about this sink that we've refurbished. But before we do that, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. Now, a customer came in with a problem. He had some chips along the front, which is very hard to see, but we actually repaired the chips, and we've also given it a sand up and a polish up because it was looking quite tatty. How we went about it was we just prepped these little chips with a die grinder, and then we used Flowcoat. We just played with the colour of it. We put yellow in it, a tiny bit of black, just to darken it up a little bit, and we just kept mixing it until we were happy with the colour. Because the wax comes to the surface on Flowcoat. Gel coat doesn't go off when it's exterior. Okay, so we applied that, waited for it to go off, and then we came back and sanded it, and then wet rubbed it so it came up shiny, and then polished it up, and you can't even see where it is. You're doing really well if you can actually see where the repairs are, which is really good. The rest of it, we just gave that a bit of a clean up, and then our worker went 600 and 1200 grit of sandpaper, and then 2000, gave it a good wet rub, and then went over it with a polishing buff on a big polisher, ready for the customer. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.